Menu project for previous projects, the application architecture. What we are going to do here is add up a little spice on what we have been discussing so far on classes and objects. The use case analysis for some single user interface level 1 menu project. A use case diagram is composed of an actor and use cases. The actor here is the user and there are 5 use cases. The graphical user interface designed for the level 1 architecture of our menu project. This is the use case narrative. The user opens the calculator, extends exiting the project. The user opens the chessboard project, extends exiting the project. The user opens the area of a calculator, extends exiting the project. The user exits or closes the application. Level 2 use case for the calculator project. There are 2 actors of this calculator project. We have the user and a calculator. The user initiates, the calculator responds. The graphical user interface designed for level 2 architecture of our calculator project. Level 2 use case narrative. User presses a button representing digits or operation. Calculator recognizes 3 distinct character stimulus as triggers. The number characters, the operation characters, the equality sign. When it is a number character, it concatenates the character to the display text values. When it is an operation character, it stores display text values for first number variable, stores the operation in the operation memory variable, and sets the display values to 0. When it is an equality sign, it stores display text values to the second number variable, compute the result of the operation stored in the operation variable, and displays the result. The user press exit button. Now let us implement the level 2 use case for the calculator project. In the use case design, there are 2 actors, the user and the calculator. The actors in the use case design are candidates to become a class, so there will be 2 class candidates to be created. However, since this is a single user interface, we don't need to create a class for the user. What we are going to create is just the calculator class. The interface of the calculator project. frmCalculator class with the button attributes and text box is our interface class. So a calculator project is composed of an interface class, which is the frmCalculator, and the calculator from the use case analysis. Now add a new form, name it frmCalculator. Add buttons for numbers, operators, and equal sign. Size your calculator aesthetically, as you can see on figures. Add a calculator class, a project, add class, name it calculator. The calculator class is further subdivided into subclasses. The numeric class as a sender character attribute or property, and the methods and or event procedure is when button is pressed. The operation class has an operation character attribute or property and 2 numeric values to be calculated. 2 event methods are recognized here, operation click and the equality sign click, which gives the result. The calculator class would look like this. Let us integrate the interface class frmCalculator with calculator class. Let us add an event to call the methods. Double-click the frmCalculator to produce a form load event. Caution: do not click the buttons, click the empty space of the form. Add the following code to trigger the event clicks of the button. The first set is the numeric. The second set is the operation, including the equality sign. Now add an event procedure for each set of buttons. Overall code view of the frmCalculator interface class. That's it. This time you have already a working calculator under the menu project application.